Hey y'all, so I'm back with a little vlog. Just trying to get back into the swing of things, but we're taking pictures later on this week. So I'm gonna do like a little maintenance vlog of the stuff that I'm gonna be doing to like get myself ready leading up to that. I know for sure I have to wash my hair, blow dry, silk press it. I need to do a hair mask also, so that's gonna be a thing. I have to shave my face, shape and clean up my eyebrows, shave and laser my body, and get my nails done. I think that's everything. So I'm gonna just be like showing y'all the stuff that I'm using, and whatever I am able to document, I will. I'm not gonna be like really talking a whole lot because I don't really have time to just be sitting here in front of the camera and talking like I used to. So if I think of something else that I missed, then I'll just like add it in there. But yeah, for the most part, I'm just be showing y'all like what products I'm using and just like a little bit of the process. So y'all will just like be prepping with me for pictures on Friday. So yeah, I feel like I don't even know how to do an intro no more because like I haven't even touched my phone literally. So I just been out of touch with social media. I've been like in 100% mommy mode, like no sleep, no coffee, no caffeine, nothing, just taking day by day and winging it. So first time I'm doing something for myself since I had this baby, so let's just go ahead and get into it. For shaving, I'm gonna use my vitamin C Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. This one doesn't really have a scent. It's just like to help brighten your skin. And then I like to use like a lotion type body wash to shave instead of a shower gel. So this is what I'm gonna be using for that. And then for lasering, I'm just using my handheld IPL by Lux Skin.
I gotta feed the streets, my pistol gon' bleed the streets. Ski mask on my face, sometimes you gotta cheat to stay ahead in this picture. Drink serve like it's liquor. Street life will have you catching up to God quicker. Sticker, AK-40 to your lipper. Let the chopper bang on you like a blood or a cripper. Flipper, so much bread, I'm a gymnast. Made so much money off of dummies.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher, Slaughter Gang Soul Snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith and Weston, a 4L gang reppin'. We done baptized more niggas than a damn reverend. Kappa Alpha, me and my gang, we do all the steppin'. Who you checkin'? It's FN, shoot east or west end.
I heard Poppy outside, and he got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real, I'll be outside. I'ma drop this shit and have these pussies dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can't look me in the eyes. I despise when I see you, better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survive, beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga dies.
Keep blinkies, and you know the weed sticky. My finger itchy, the Glock like to leave hickeys. Your shooter's iffy, a street punk can never diss me. I come straight up out the six and we don't spell sissies.
I fuck with her, and fuck with her, and her. I hit up her, tell him do the for sure. Voodoo curse, it got him while I flew the Turks. Know the dogs had to hit him where we knew him. I'm on everything. Jacob charged me $450 for a tennis chain. US Open had it on us at the tennis game. Tell the coach don't take me out, I like to finish games. And my pen insane.
Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, bang bang, let it bang bang till his brains hang, and his mama sang, and the pastor sang, and the bully sang, and the chopper sang, and the choir sang.
Turn me up some more.
Okay, y'all, so I just finished brushing my teeth. I'm about to try these whitening strips. They just bought a CVS brand. I got them when I went in earlier to get a hair mask. So I think this one that I got, it comes with a pack of 5, and then in each thing it has the strip for the top and the bottom. I've never tried whitening strips before, but I've never like heard anything bad about them. So I guess we're about to see if it works. I'm not expecting it to work like after one use, but I'm gonna try to, I got a paper towel because I'm gonna try to like dry my teeth off before I put them on there, because I think it's like an adhesive and it's sticky. So I figured if my teeth are dry, that'll help it a little bit. So
play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the gram, trying to see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seen how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me.
okay, I got the whitening strips on, and it says to leave it on for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do a timer, and then when it goes off, I'm gonna just take them off. And I guess that's it for tonight. I'll see y'all at the nail shop in the morning. Okay, y'all, it's the next morning or afternoon, because I skipped going to the nail shop this morning. I was supposed to go like right after I dropped Mike off at school, but I needed to sleep in, so I came back and went to sleep and cleaned up and stuff. So now I just now got out the shower from washing my hair. Depending on like how long it takes me to blow dry it, I might just blow dry it for now and then wait to flat iron it later on this evening. But yeah, I'm gonna try to hurry up so I can go ahead and go to the nail shop before I get Micah, because pictures are in the morning, so I have to go to the nail shop today. But I'm not getting my nails done, I'm just getting a pedicure. And then I got some press-ons from Target, so I'm gonna just do those because I haven't really been like feeling acrylic nails lately, and if I do get anything done to my fingers at the nail shop, it would just be shellac. So, and then for my hair, I'm just using the same stuff that I used in my silk press videos. So about to go ahead and blow dry and see what time it is when I'm done.
Six God talk, but I ain't tryna get preachy. No, no. I seen how you did, homeboy. Please take it easier on me. Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna play no games, play no games.
I wanna love me the way that you love me. Oh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me.
Okay, y'all, I ended up only having enough time to blow dry my hair because I had to stop to feed the baby. So we just left the house, headed to the nail shop, and then I'ma just not blow dry, I'm straighten my hair later. The blow drying is really what takes the longest because I try to like get my roots real good. But yeah, since I already did that, all I got to do later is straighten it. And yeah, I just figured I would update y'all and let y'all know because I didn't.
I wanna trust me, so that you trust me. Oh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view. I'm getting used to receiving, still getting good at not leaving. I'ma tell you, you know I'm scared. Learning to be grateful for myself. Love my lips 'cause they say that things we've always been afraid of. I can feel it starting to subside. Learning to believe in what is mine. I wanna love me. Oh, way that you love me. Oh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me, so that you trust me. Oh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you.
Okay, y'all, I just left the nail shop from getting the polish changed on my toes. I just got a polish change instead of getting an actual pedicure because this nail shop, like, they take their time. Like, my first time going to them was when I went to get my nails done for my gender reveal. And, like, every time that I've gone to the nail shop since then, I go to them because, like, that one time that I went, it was, like, an hour before they closed. And the lady still took, like, 55 or to 60 minutes just, like, doing my pedicure. So I'm like, okay, they take their time. They about their quality. So even just then, I was there for, like, almost an hour. But even though I just got the polish change, she still, like, took out the time to, like, do my cuticle care and shape my nails and all of that. So whenever I go there, I just make sure I tip good because I like it there. But now I'm headed to go get Micah, in which I have to do his maintenance for pictures tomorrow because we're all taking pictures. So I just got to make sure his nails and stuff are, like, trimmed down, and then I'm gonna wash his hair and do his hair. He wants beads, so his hair is gonna take a little bit longer, maybe like 45 minutes. But like, once I'm done getting him and the baby taken care of, and, like, everybody's down for bed or just, like, winding down and chilling out and sitting in one spot, then I'll be able to do my hair. So I'm gonna just catch back up with y'all then. Okay, I've been on mom duty since I got Micah, but I forgot to show you how my toes came out. But I just went with the plain white, like always. You ready to get your hair done?
Nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view. I couldn't believe it, or see it for myself. I'll be impatient, but now I'm really falling, frozen, slowly thawing. Got me right. I won't keep you waiting. My back is waiting, baby. And my eyes deceive me, won't let them stray too
Okay, y'all, so I forgot to show y'all how everything came together. I'm gonna probably just insert some pictures. And y'all, I did all this maintenance and getting cute and stuff to not even take no pictures. As I was on the way to take the pictures, somebody rear-ended me on the freeway. So didn't even make it. Gonna have to reschedule. So I'll probably just make a whole nother video for whenever I reschedule my pictures. I'll probably do like a get ready with me. So just wanted to come update on y'all and tell y'all that also, because I needed to close out the vlog. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see y'all in my next video.